Good morning, everybody. I want to be very loud. Good morning, everybody. Great. I can see the ignition already, under all of you. So, I am Ashrita Gampa. I'm pursuing my BTech second year from MGIT. I'm here to talk about jam sessions. How many of you here have been successfully disqualified in your interviews just because of jam sessions and group discussions? Great. It's quite a very big number, yes? Most of you have a problem with jam sessions and group discussions these days. అదే ఏదో వేరే టాపిక్ ఇచ్చి మాట్లాడమంటే గంటలు మాట్లాడతాం. అదే జస్ట్ ఒక్క మినిట్ మాట్లాడమంటే మనకు కష్టం అవుతుంది. రైట్? ఎస్. సో when you're attending a jam session or a group discussion, if it is a debate, you can be demanding, you can be dominating, you have to win it if it is a debate. But if it is a jam session or a group discussion, you have to be diplomatic by your point. Talk and talk. Get on to the point. Don't divert the topic. Talk on whatever you have on your mind. 60% topic ki related ga matladandi. It's okay. But then talk. The company or the HR looks if you're initiating the point, if you're talking or not. What he wants is whether if you're able to communicate or not. He expects only that from you. He doesn't want to check how much knowledge you have. Knowledge is secondary. He conducts a just a minute session only to check if you're talking or not. Yes? Time management. It's just a minute. Iroj morning, someone there, sir asked you to talk about what he has learned for 2 days. He said, no, I won't move. Yes? Ainda avaleda iroj morning ikkada. They were like, no, nenu kadlan sir, nenu maatladtanu. He wanted only a just a minute talk. When it is just a minute, it has to be for a minute. Aa 1 minute lone you have to talk. On an average, in 1 minute, with proper English, you can talk 18 sentences. Yes? 18 sentences maatladochu. Useful sentences in 1 minute. 1 minute lo. Have you ever thought about it? Try it out today. Topics which they give can be technical or abstract. When it is technical, it has to be to the point. Abstract ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం 60% టాపిక్ కి రిలేటెడ్ ఉన్న మాట్లాడొచ్చు మీరు. Like I said, they check only if you are talking or not. Avoid deviation and long pauses. If they're asking you about Salman Khan, talk about Salman Khan, talk about his body, talk about his acting. Don't talk about Salman Khan's dog. Body dog undanta. A dog gurinchi topic like helpin. Don't deviate the topic. And you should never have long pauses. Yes. When it is just a minute sessions, most of your stage మీద వచ్చి mic but good morning everybody. I am doing that. Most of you do that, yes? Avoid long pauses. Be confident. Talk anything you want. Give your 100%. Be confident in whatever you're talking. Your facial expressions, your body language speaks more than what you're talking. Agree with it? It speaks more than what you're talking. Meer perfect body language tho nunchi perfect confident ga unte it gives you akkade 80% of the marks. When it is marketing, more akkadne. Yes? Eye contact and body language, like I told. Eye contact is like the main thing. You need to communicate with all the audience who's sitting there. Don't repeat the same sentence again and again. People will get bored of you. People must feel interesting. Change the topic. Talk about it again and again. I mean, you should never talk about it again and again. It diverts the whole thing. It gives a bad impression. Yes? Are you all ready to face a jam session now? Yes. Yes? Thank you.